Are you ready? Let's go.
Right.
That's right, you've got it. Raise your legs higher.
Bushy-eyebrow Sensei!
Huh? Oh, you guys are here. I know. Just stay calm.
What exactly is going on here?
There now. Oh, seems I was brought here so I could babysit these little hatchling chicks.
Babysit?
That is ridiculous.
I don't really think that I was meant to be food. It seems they just needed someone to play with. Oh, by the way, where are we?
Honestly, we have absolutely no idea.
We just followed the bird until we found you, Bushy-eyebrow Sensei.
Hey, Barty, why in the world did you bring me here? If you want a babysitter, find someone else. I'm in the middle of a mission here. I gotta go. What? Get on you? Well, all right.
No, Guy, don't!
We won't learn anything standing around here, so climb on.
Wow!